If your CapCut template tab is not displaying, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the most common fixes step by step. This is one of those frustrating issues that can happen for a few different reasons, including regional restrictions, a temporary UI glitch, account sync problems, or even a hidden layout setting. The good news is that in most cases, you can fix it in just a few minutes. So if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's get into it. The first and most common fix is to bypass regional restrictions. In some cases, CapCut templates may not show up because the local server is having a traffic issue or the content is limited in your region. To try this, completely close CapCut first. Make sure it is not just minimized, but fully closed from your background processes. On Windows or Mac, check that the app is no longer running before moving on. Next, open your VPN and set your location to a server in the United States. The US server is usually the safest option because it often gives access to the widest range of CapCut features. Once the VPN is active, relaunch CapCut while keeping the VPN connected. In many cases, the Templates tab will appear as soon as the app reloads with the new region. If this works, then the issue was most likely caused by a location-based restriction or a temporary server problem. If you still do not see the templates section, the next thing to try is the project refresh trick. Sometimes CapCut's interface simply needs a forced refresh to make the sidebar options load properly. From the home dashboard, click New Project. Once the editing timeline opens, do not rush out immediately. Stay inside the timeline interface for about 5 to 10 seconds. This gives the app time to load its tools and refresh the interface in the background. After waiting a few seconds, exit the project and return to the home screen. Then check the left panel again and see if the templates option has appeared. This simple trick can work because it forces CapCut to reload parts of the interface that may have failed to display the first time. It sounds small, but for a lot of users, it makes a big difference. Now, let's move on to the next fix, which is signing in and resetting the layout. Sometimes template updates require you to be logged into your account before the library fully loads. So click your profile icon in the top left corner and sign in with the correct account. If you're already signed in, it can still help to sign out and sign back in again to refresh your session. If you still cannot access templates after that, there is one more very useful workaround you should try, and that is using the official web browser version of CapCut. The web editor is often updated dynamically, which means it can sometimes load features that are not appearing in the desktop app yet. Open your browser and navigate to the CapCut web editor. Then log into your profile using the same account you use on the desktop version. Once you are inside the web editor, click Templates in the left menu. From there, edit your clip in the browser version and then cloud sync it back to your desktop app. This is a great workaround when the desktop client refuses to load templates properly. It can save you a lot of time and help you keep editing without waiting for the app to fix itself. So to quickly recap, if CapCut templates are not showing, first try using a VPN and switching to a US server. Then use the project refresh trick by opening a new project and returning to the home screen. After that, sign in and reset your layout to restore any hidden tabs. And finally, if nothing else works, use the CapCut web editor as a backup solution. These steps solve the issue for most users, and in many cases, you only need one of them to get the templates tab back. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy software tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with another CapCut problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.